guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an aesthetically pretty cute home screen. So I've seen this everywhere on TikTok, on Google, YouTube, everywhere. People are showing off their home screens, so I decided to show you guys mine and how to make one yourself. So this is my before. It's color coded and not that cute, but now I'm going to show you guys my new home screen. So this is my after. This took me hours to find the pictures and to organize it. As you can tell, I color coded each of my section. So now I'm gonna do one for yellow and orange. What you'll need for this is widgetsmith and shortcuts. I want you guys to figure out what aesthetic you want, so it can be like, I don't know, beach aesthetic, a white aesthetic, plant aesthetic, I don't know. Or it can be like specific colors, so yellow, pink aesthetic, whatever. So for this section I'm doing a yellow aesthetic, so I'm going to Google and then I typed in yellow aesthetic. You can also go to Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of options. I'm just gonna save some images to my camera roll, whatever I think looks cute. I mean, they all look cute, but okay. So once you've found the pictures that you want, go to photos and then just put them in a album. So let's go to add to album and then go to that and then type in whatever you want. So I'm just going to type in yellow, and then I want you guys to go to widgetsmith. Okay, so widgetsmith is actually really easy to use. So you have sections. So you have a small squares, and then you have like a rectangle, and then you have those large squares. In this case, I'm going to use medium. So go to medium, add a medium widget, and then just select that, and then go to photos in album. And then you guys can select, so instead of favorites, go to scroll down and then until you find your the name of your album. So mine's yellow in this case, and then save. You guys don't have to name it or anything, it's really easy. And then you saved it. So now you're probably wondering, hey, how do I add this to my home screen? So go to edit and then click the plus in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down till you see widgetsmith. And then you have small, medium, and large. But we want medium in this case, so click add widget. And then there you go, it's right here. But that's not the one I made. So I want you to select it again. I'm going to select edit widget, and then medium, select that again, and then medium 8. And there you go, it's right there. Ugh, that picture's kind of ugly. Okay, well, whatever. I'm going to show you guys how to add more widgets because there's so many more options, so I'll do another one with you guys. So let's go to widgetsmith again, and then let's do a small icon or a small widget or whatever. Select it. So select what should I do? Oh, just you want a custom text. You want to write something of your own. So you go to custom text, and then you type in whatever you want, and then you can change the font to whatever font you like, whatever looks cute. Since my theme is yellow, I'm gonna use a yellow background. So ooh, or a pastel orange. I think I'm gonna use a pastel orange. It looks prettier. And then let's go to, you guys can choose a border as well. I don't think I want a border. No, I'll just use one. Okay, and then you guys can go to background color, or I did. You can change the font color, and then there you go. Just click back and then save. And then do the same thing. So go to this screen, edit, top right corner, scroll down, and then widgetsmith, small, add a widget, and then there you go. Let me change mine to 10. And there's my text. My text is right there, and you guys can change the layout and do whatever you want with it. Now, if you guys want to change the icon, just so you want to find, like, I don't know, you don't like the default icons, well, no problem. So, first things first. How I found my icons are from Google, but I don't know how to make like cute aesthetic icons I'm pretty sure you can Google them. That's what I did. I went to like pink Twitch icon and I found like this icon and just saved it. And yeah, we'll just say I want a Snapchat icon. So I'm gonna type yellow Snapchat icon. Wait, Snapchat is yellow. What am I saying? Let's type orange, actually not yellow. Orange Snapchat icon. There you go. You have an orange one. So you go to download, save to camera roll. If you like this one, I don't know. That one's cute as well. Just find whatever you want. So now that I have my images, I am going to shortcuts. So type in shortcuts. You might have to download it if you don't have it already. I had to download it. Okay, so now I want you guys to click the little plus in the top right corner and then add action and then go to scripting and then open app. Choose, select choose, and then type in the app that you want. So in this case, I'm going to type in Snapchat, and then once I have Snapchat, I'm going to click next, name it. You can't name the app the same as, like, it can't be Snapchat because then it won't work. So you have to make it like different. So then you click, you already have, oh, I already have Snapchat, so I'm just going to do Snapchat. So there you go, there's my Snapchat, and I'm going to click the three dots, and I'm going to click the three dots again, and then I'm going to add, hi boo baby, and then I'm going to add to home screen, and then select that, choose photo, and then there's your Snapchat icon, pick which one you like. I'm gonna pick this one. Select and then click add, and then bam, add to home screen. It's there. Just click done. Yeah, so it's done. So then there you go, your little Snapchat icon is right there. That's how you add a cute little icon. Look how cute that is. Ooh, I might keep that. Should I add something else? Okay, I'll add one more widget thing. So you go to widgetsmith, and then I just say I want the time. Yeah, just say I want the clock. So you guys can change the style, font, color. I'm gonna do yellow this time. Background color can be orange. Let's do orange. And then yeah, there you go. Save, and then go here, go to edit, plus in the top right corner, scroll all the way down to widgetsmith, and then add widget. Bring that over, select. Oh, it might do that sometimes. Just wait a little while. So there you go. Look how pretty that looks. Ooh, it's so cute. It's so cute. So yeah, that's what I literally did for all of them. And I'm actually really happy with how it came out. I think it looks cute and stuff, so yep. It's really simple, it's not even that bad, but yeah. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below and I will try answering them. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, bye.